First, we loosen this. Then push it to the left to the far side. Next this side up. Stuck here. Then push it over. Tighten here after getting stuck. Twist it until it can't be pushed, and you pick up the membrane. Pass through this position. Pull this out a bit. And lift it up. It will come up. Then go through this press wheel. Fixed. Fix it. It's okay. Go to the front. The back is already fixed. Then put the paper pressing sheet. Press both sides, then you can turn it on and enter the film. Now the step roller behind us is fixed. Then we put the paper press into these two sides. Press it. Then turn it on. Then we feed the membrane. Take the membrane from this position. Through this position. All the way to here. Put it in this oven. Remember the oven is turned off at this time. Then open this. Get this membrane and connect it all the way down. After threading the film through from above. Next we connect to the paper receiver. Can be fixed with a stapler. That's it. Finally, jam the oven.